Alright, so there's just like a little science assignment that I have to do in which I have to separate a mixture of sawdust, sand, and salt. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video, I guess. Alright, so here we got our mixture. There you go. And we got our glass. I'm just gonna fill it up with water first. Alright, so yeah, I have the glass. It's full of water now. And still I have the mixture. So we're just gonna pour it into the water now. According to my calculations, the sawdust should rise to the top, probably. The sand should sink to the bottom, and the salt. Wait, no. Yeah, the sand should sink to the bottom, and the salt should dissolve, and the sawdust should rise to the top. I'm just gonna use this to adjust some stuff. Rise, sawdust, rise! Rah! Alright. The sawdust should be at the top right now. Whoa. It's like really sawdusty. How am I gonna scoop this off the top? Oh, there we go. Just gonna put it in here. Darn, it's so difficult. Alright, so we're just gonna remove the rest of the sawdust from the top. Probably gonna shake. Alright, right now we're just gonna use this tissue paper to filter out the sand from the water. There we go. Oh, some of the sand's like still stuck in there. Oh look, the rest of the sawdust maybe. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh. Okay, this is the sand. Ooh. And this is also the rest of the water in which the salt dissolved in. Yeah. So we're gonna use this. So we're gonna use a pot to evaporate it, and a stove. All right. So we have the water here. We're gonna pour it into the pot. We're just gonna sit here and let it evaporate. We're gonna speed this up in our editing app. Hi everyone, this is how it turned out. You see there's all the salt. You know, the water evaporated away, left all that salt behind, which is why it looks like that. You know? Alright, finally we're done. So here first we have the sawdust, which we scooped from the top of the surface of the water. Still a bit wet, whatever. We have the sand here, which we filtered out from the rest of the water, and we have the salt, which evaporated from the water that we just boiled. Alright, we're all done. Hopefully I'll get good marks, and see you guys later. Bye!